Let us start by adding 2 eggs. Followed by 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 1 1/2 cup of milk and continue whisking. Two and a half cup of self-raising flour. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Preheat your pan over medium heat and lightly brush it with a little oil. Pour the mixture into the pan and wait for the bubbles to form on the surface before flipping it. Cook the other side until golden brown. Serve these fluffy pancakes with your favorite toppings such as fresh berries, maple syrup, or dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy a delightful breakfast that will start your day off right.